To install Dynamic Island on Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. Now, once you open the Play Store, then over here we should be able to go ahead and tap on the search option at the bottom, then the search field at the top, and you can just simply type Dynamic Island in order to try to find an app that allows you to get the Dynamic Island. And you might find a couple of different example apps, and feel free to try any of them. However, in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how it looks like. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's open it once it is installed. And the setup is actually very simple. We just have to follow instructions that we will see on the screen. So let's tap on next. Here we have our instructions. So we're gonna tap on select apps over here to choose apps that should be displayed on the Dynamic Island. You can choose individually by tapping on the switcher on the right side, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner to select every app that you have installed. You can also go to notification access over here, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to open this menu where we can choose the dynamic spot, and we need to allow notification access for the app. And there we go. Then we have draw on screen, so we're gonna tap here and press allow, and then tap one more time in order to go next. And after a couple of seconds you should be redirected to accessibility. You can go to the dynamic spot, and you want to activate dynamic spot over here. Tap on the switcher and tap on allow. And now we are done. Here we have a premium offer which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. And there we go. And besides that, of course, if you want to still manage some apps that should be displayed with the Dynamic Island, then you can go to notifications over here and then choose apps, and here you can decide. But also you can go to the position option over here, and you can see how the Dynamic Island looks like. And if something feels off, maybe if you want a wider Dynamic Island, you can easily set it up just like that. You can also, for example, move vertically and horizontally a little bit, so in case it feels like it is off-center, then you should be able to fix it whenever you need to. And I think now it looks slightly better. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.